Hello everyone, back to a brand new video. Today I'm showing you how to get a custom cape like this right here. So this is a custom cape that I got for completely free without the Optifine method, which costs about $5 and a waste of money when you can do it for completely free. Now you will need a few things for this. Internet, which if you're watching this video you have. A web browser, which if you're watching this video, once again you probably have. And number 3, Minecraft, which if you're watching a video on how to get custom capes, you're probably here and have the game. Now this does not work for Bedrock Edition, this is a Java only, and I do not believe that other players can see your cape. They might be able to though. Yeah, as you can see, nice custom cape, and the elytra also has its own custom look. So yeah, let's get into the video. First off guys, you want to start off on the main home screen. You have everything here. Don't mind the stuff, it's my brother's. And you're going to open up your web browser. Now that you're in your web browser, you're going to go to MINECRAFTCAPES.net, okay? MINECRAFTCAPES.net. You're going to be on this website, okay? And what you're going to do is I'm going to quickly sign out. And basically, here's what you're going to do. You're going to sign out, and you'll be brought to this once you first get on the page. What you're going to do is you're going to click register, okay? And you'll appear this. This will appear. And basically what you're going to do is you want to copy this. Copy that. Now, what you're going to do is you want to boot up Minecraft. You want to start up the Minecraft launcher. Now that you've done that, yeah, you can go on any version of Minecraft basically. Now just make sure that it doesn't have a whole lot of mods, so just anything. I'd go with the basic 1.17.1. Now, you will need Forge for this, and I will show you how to download this, like Forge. Now this also works with Fabric, and Fabric download is the exact same for Forge. So you want to start up Minecraft 1.17.1. I'm not going to need that. And basically you want to let it load. So I'll be back once Minecraft is loaded. So now that we are back and we're in Minecraft, you click on multiplayer and you want to go direct connection, and what you do is you paste it in right here. Now what you do, you click join server, let it load, and this will appear. Now, I myself already have an account, but what you would have to do is you'd have to go back into your web browser, then right here, you would type in that code and click confirm. And just to show you guys, I'll do it. So, 8650, hold on, 8650, 800, and then 16, cool, and then 16. And you click confirm identity, and then right here, you would type in a password, which I'll do that real quick, and I'm not actually going to do it, but what you do is you type in a password, click I agree, and then press register. Now make sure this is your skin, and your display name is being shown. Because once you press register, you will be logged in, which I'll do real quick. Now that we are logged in, guys, right here you can see my cape. Now what you would want to do is you want to go into gallery. Now as you can see here, I'm not going to use my custom cape for now. I'll just show you a different cape. You have Minecraft capes, special capes, Optifine capes, banner capes, and head capes. Let's go into Minecraft capes. Now here, before we do anything, is the cape editor. This is where you can create a custom cape Basically pretty simple, just drawing. And then you press download, and then you'd have it there. But if you want a Minecraft cape, you could go into here, and you can download any Minecraft cape. So right here is the very first Minecraft cape from 2011. So we'll download this one. And now that we have that, you can see right there, the 2011 PNG, which means we've got the cape basically. Now we want to go to upload cape, select a file, and then we want to go to downloads. And now we want to click on our cape. And now we press upload it. Now you'll see right here, the cape is now appeared on our skin, and then you click on the elytra to see what it looks like. And just to quickly show you what my cape looks like, put it in, upload, and here's the two. We have the normal one and the elytra. So basically now you've seen the cape, we'll put the Minecraft one back on, and we'll load in. Basically, once your cape is finished uploading, you're going to go over to download, right here. You're going to click on whatever thing you're playing on. So if you either download Forge or Fabric, I just find it easy to get Forge because it's a lot more reliable, and I've noticed Fabric crashes a lot more. But if you do already have a lot of mods, and you they're all on Fabric, do that. And if you're planning on getting more mods, I would go with Fabric because Fabric has a lot more mods than Forge does. But for me, I'm just going to go with Forge. Once again, I'll show you how to download Forge and Fabric in a second. Now what you want to do is you want to click on whatever version of Minecraft you're playing on. You scroll down and they go all the way to 1.7.10. That is all of the versions that they have. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your version. For me, it's 1.17.1, and you're going to click on Download Minecraft Capes Forge 1.17.1. Now, the reason you have to do the login thing was because the mod is specific to your account. You need to be logged in to do the download for it to work and everything. Basically, it's doing it directly through your Mojang account. And what you're going to do is it'll say, this can harm your device. Basically, this is just a jar file and the computer doesn't really understand what a jar file is. We're just going to press keep. So you don't worry about that if that appears. Now what you want to do is you want to go down here and drag it to your desktop. And you can close it now. And what you're going to do now is you're going to go into run. Click that. And scroll down to your mods. Now, your mods folder will only be here if you have Forge or either Fabric installed. What you do is you come in here and you drop it in. Now, I already have it in there, so I don't need to. But I'm just going to delete it. That's what you do. Now, if you do not have Forge or Optifine, which I know some Minecraft players don't, and now if you're against modding, you're going to need to do modding for this. Now, it's not going to affect your games like other mods or add stuff, which will just add in a cape. So don't worry. What you're going to do, you're going to go search up Forge, download. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to go down here, download for Forge for Minecraft 1.17.1. Now it'll say files.minecraft.forge.net. We would just say forge.net. You want to click on it, and it should bring you to this. Here is every single version, so whatever version of Minecraft you are playing on, you select it for that. So if you're playing on 1.14 or 1.16, and that's what you've got in for the cape mod, you're going to need to have the exact same Forge version, because if you have 1.10 for your cape mod, but you go and download 1.17 of Forge, they won't work together because the versions work differently. They've got different settings, they're coded differently, everything. So make sure it's the exact same version. Now, Now once you make sure that you have the same version, you want to click on the installer button. Now, stuff might appear here. Do not touch any of this. Don't touch any of it. Even if it says download button here, do not click on it. Go to the skip button and your download will start. Anything else on this page doesn't do anything. Sometimes it can give you a virus, or sometimes it just takes you to where you don't want to go. Now you're just going to ask you the same thing again. They can harm your device. You want to keep it, you press keep, and boom. Now what you want to do is you want to drag forward to your desktop once it's finished downloading, because sometimes it's a little weird and likes to take forever to download. There we go. You're going to download to your desktop. Now you don't need to go into your browser at all unless you want to change the tape. You're going to boot up Forge. Now it might not work, okay? Now if it does work, this will show up. But if it doesn't, you're going to need to do something very specific. You need to go back into your browser. I did say it was last time, but there is one other thing. Once again, I'm pretty sure most of you guys probably do have Forge and everything set up. But what you want to do is you want to get something called Java. Since Forge and the mods are a Java file, they need the main Java, which is like an application that makes Java files run. So what you're going to do is you're going to set There you go, Java downloads for all operating systems. And here you can see most of it. Now if you go to Windows right here, you have 64-bit and offline. If you have a 32-bit, you're going to probably have to go with the offline version. But basically, if you're a 64-bit or if you're a 32-bit and you've now selected the offline version, go to agree and start free download. Now, the 64-bit might work on a 32-bit computer, but I don't think it'll work very well. I think it might glitch out. But basically, now you can see down here the download is starting, and officially, this is the final time you need to be in the browser. Because now, you have Java, you have Forge, and you have your mod. So what you're going to do is you're going to open this. You're going to double click on Java, and this will pop up. You'll say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. That might not appear, but from my experience, it does appear, because I've helped people in the past download Java and stuff. So yeah, that usually appears for me. You can tell that's going to appear if this little shield logo is here. Now this is going to show up. Don't click any of this, just click install. Now this bar will appear and Java will start installing. Now it might get stuck in the middle or towards the end, the download. this is not uncommon because sometimes the download can start, but I've noticed that if Java's already installed, because I'm just showing you how to install, I already have Java personally, this will basically download. And it's going to take a bit, but just so you guys know I'm not faking or anything, I'll just keep it on. And you can see it goes fast, for me at least. And it's buffering right here, as you can see, right towards the end, but right here is where Java usually slows down and doesn't work for me. Now, with Forge, it will not work without Java. Oh, and Java's done, and it'll say you successfully installed Java. Press close. Now, what you're going to do now, is you don't need Java anymore. You can delete it. Now, grab Forge and double click it. And once again, the window will pop up this. Now, if that does not appear, what you're going to have to do is right click on Forge, go open with, and right here should be Java Platform SE Binary. If it doesn't work, you want to go choose another app, and you want to go more apps, okay? Now, if that doesn't work and it's not there, you're going to have to re-download Java and basically do the whole process again. But you want to go open with Java Platform SE Binary, click on it, and it should pop up. Now, if that doesn't work either, you might have to completely re-download Java, or you can get Java fixed. Now, because I said it's the last time, you need to go into the web browser. I'm not going to go in it. But basically, Java fix, basically exact same process as you did to download Java. Just click on it, press download, and it will eventually say successfully installed Java fix. I never needed to do that because Java has always worked for me. But yeah, that's what you need to do if it doesn't work. Now, here, this should appear. Now, don't click install server or extract. That is only for server stuff, which we're not doing because I don't know how to do that. Now, make sure this is on roaming and .minecraft. If not, go into your files and go to .minecraft, as you can see here, and then press open. Now, what you want to do now is you press OK, and they basically Forge is downloading now. We'll see all this now. If it freezes for a while, don't panic. It could just be your internet slow. I'm trouble doing it because it's never been installed on your computer. But this will download, and it will say Forge has been successfully installed. Now, I've noticed once again that it usually does buffer like right there, like where it just did. Yeah, you'll see right here it says successfully installed client profile Forge for version 1.17. I'm not going to read all that. Press OK. Now, don't delete that yet. Now, what you want to do is you want to go into the Minecraft launcher, and here, right here, you will find Forge. Right there. Now, the reason it's not appearing here is because I have Forge right here. And Fabric is practically the exact same process, like nothing different. But if Forge isn't here for some reason, as you can see I've got the 1.12 version, all that. But say this isn't here, say this logo isn't here, I'll show you what to do. You want to go into installations, and you want to go to new installation, and just call it Forge 1.17, very simple. And then you go into here, and you'll look, and right here for me is 1.17 with Forge. You press create, and then this will appear, it'll be a furnace. Now, if Forge isn't there, redo the Forge download, and it should appear. And sometimes it might appear straight up in here. Now, if you go into your skins here, you can't see your custom cape. Do not worry about that. Remember, this is a mod. This is not a direct physical copy of the cape. There is no way to actually get the Minecraft capes anymore without hacking. Okay, so now that we have like everything installed and I've got everything done, put Forge on, turn on Forge, and click play. Now it'll bring up this, just click understand and press play. Now from here, Minecraft will boot up basically. It'll load now. I'm now, as you can see, we're in Minecraft basically, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to multiplayer, jump on Hypixel, not Hypixel. And as you can see, we now have the 2011 Minecraft cape on, and yeah, so that is how you get free capes and custom capes inside of Minecraft Java Edition. Hope you guys did enjoy. If so, please like and maybe subscribe. It is free, doesn't affect you, your title, and helps me. And also, don't forget to go check out my Twitch. I stream a lot of Bed Wars on there. It'll be linked below. Yep. See you in the next one. Bye.